Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How is everything going? I hope it's going well. Anyway, so this tutorial video is going to be about your presentation. So we've done all this research, we've written our body paragraphs, we've done our introduction, we've done our conclusion, and now it's putting it all together for your speech, which is written, so you just have to have the visual presentation. So here we go, building our visual representation of our research. So what I've done here is I've broken it down into slides. So in slide 1, you're going to need the title of your persuasive research project. So if I was going to do the abortion one still, I'd be like, I would have my title have something to do with my stance on the subject and then also the topic. So late-term abortions are not great for our society. Only I'd have it a little bit better. That's just coming off the top of my head. Anyway, you're going to need your name and class period as well. Slide 2, you're going to have your first reason, your bulleted points. And the big thing to remember with this project, this presentation, is that it is a visual of your argument. Okay, so this should not have a ton of text on it. And if it does have text on it, it needs to be bulleted and shortened up. Shorten it up enough that we understand what's on the slide, but not so extensive that we have to sit there and read it while you are discussing your points, because you're going to be creating a video much like this one, going over your research and your stance, okay? So when you are building your slides, make sure that they are pleasing to the eye, they're more visual, they don't have a ton of text, okay? So then we get into your third slide. This is going to be your first reason, your bulleted points. Fourth slide's your second reason, bulleted points. Fifth slide's your counter argument and bulleted points. And then slide 6 is going to be your last thoughts on your topic, okay? And then slide 7 is going to be your works cited. You're going to copy and paste your citations from your annotated bibliography and put them into a slide. Remember, on the slides, because you're going to have so many citations, it does not need to be 12-point font. You can make it smaller so it fits, okay? Also, something that I want to show you guys, I'm going to move me. Can I move me? Apparently not. Wonder if I can click out of me. There we go. So, a wonderful option that Google Slides and Google Docs share is this Explore option, okay? So this Explore option, you can actually search the web for images. So you can actually get your images from this Explore option. So if I'm going to say presentation, just for an example. So I'm going to click on the images. And then if I want to add this image into my slide, I can just hit plus, insert the image. My internet's a little slow today, so bear with me. So then if I right click on this image, I can scroll down and copy the link URL. So that's what I'm going to do. And then I can go up to my add-ons. If you don't already have EasyBib Bibliography Creator, you can add it on. It's free to your Google Suite. And then you go to Manage Bibliography. I'm sure some of you have used these generators before. And basically, you just paste the link into the source, it has a little search bar, and then you just have to hit create citation. Make sure it's an MLA. So we see here it's already an MLA 8th edition. All I have to do is hit paste and search. And like I said, my internet is kind of slow today, which I should have hit website here. That would have been easier. Anyway, it will generate your citation. You just have to paste it into your Google slide or your Prezi. Okay, so that makes it a lot easier. EasyBib is not fantastic. Okay, so like when you come back to school next year, we're going to use more Purdue OWL, but Purdue OWL is a little bit more extensive and you have to add more information than like EasyBib. So for all intents and purposes of the situation that we're in right now, I think the EasyBib will be the easiest one to use for this presentation. Anyway, so it generates it. My internet's slow this morning, so I'm not going to take up too much of your time, but you see the process that I'm taking to make sure that I cite my images. You must cite your images, otherwise you are plagiarizing those images, okay? And then you'll just copy and paste those citations that EasyBib creates into your works cited slide. So I'm going to be posting some instructional videos on how to use Screencastify and also how to do voice add-ons to Google Slides so that your face isn't in it. There are other modalities that you can use as well to do your presentation. For example, if you have an iPhone, you can just go to your iPhone and do the screen recording, and then you can present your presentation on your phone, your visual representation. This is going to be your Google slide or your Prezi on your phone, and then you can talk about your talking points as you do your slides on your phone, and then that saves it as a video, and then you can upload that video to Google Classroom. So I am not sure if there is a comparable thing that you can do with an Android. I'll do some research on that, but those are 3 different ways that you can complete this assignment. Anyway, so I hope you guys are doing well. If you have any questions, please reach out to me and I'll be sure to try and answer all those questions as fast as I can. And you guys are doing an awesome job. And for this week, for extra credit, it's going to be explore. Okay, so you have to email me the word explore to get 10 extra credit points. All right, so you guys have a wonderful day. Talk to you later.